How to use KAYAK website. First, log in to your KAYAK account. You can see the flight icon and you have to click on it. To find flight, click on search bar. Select if you would like a round trip or runway trip or multi-city trip. Then select place and airport. And you have to set the date. Click the travel option and select the number of passengers. Select cabin class. Then click on baggage and fill details about it. Click on stops if you would like any stops or non-stop. Then click on search flights. Then select your desired flight that suits you. Click on view deal. In this page, put your personal details and billing details and click continue. That's it. Thanks for watching.